In this video, we will talk about fixed destination folder access denied. You need permission to perform this action. Make sure to watch the complete video. Method 1. Boot into safe mode. Sometimes, booting into safe mode resolves permission issues. So, click in Search, type msconfig, and click on Open. In the System Configuration window, go to the Boot tab. Check Safe Boot and select Minimal. Click on Apply and OK. Click on Restart to restart your computer. It will take some time, so let it boot into safe mode. Once it boots into safe mode, attempt to open that folder in which you are facing the problem. To exit safe mode, repeat the steps and uncheck Safe Boot. Method 2. Check for disk errors. Lots of users have added on forums page that disk errors can cause these issues. So, let's check it really quick. Click on File Explorer. On the left side, click on this PC. Right-click the drive containing the folder and select Properties. Here, you need to click on Tools tab. Click Check under Error Checking. Now click on Scan Drive. If you find an error message after running this scan, make sure to select Fix to resolve the issue with your disk. So that's how you can fix destination folder access denied. You need permission to perform this action. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out our other methods to fix the issue, linked in the I button above. That's all for today. See you in the next video.